Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you part 3 of the best trading strategy in 2023. Moreover, I will show you my easiest trading setup that I'm traded with it. You can make a lot of money by this trading setup. And if you want to be a good trader, you have to learn this trading setup. I hope you will watch the video till the end. Alright. Here, after 3 low and 1 low volume spike, we have a positive cycle or a positive hook, and we named near death, so we can open a line trade, and to determine the target of this trade we can use 86 to 92% of the previous leg. When you saw a positive hook after 3 low and 1 low volume spike, you have to open a line trade at 86 to 92% of the previous leg. And you should place your stop loss a few points below the previous leg. Moreover, you have to set your target point on 86 to 92% of the last drop leg. As you can see, this setup has a high win rate and low risk and high reward, and if you want to be a good trader, you only need to learn this setup. Moreover, money management and risk management of your account